So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch from a personal Instagram account to a professional Instagram account on your Instagram. So first things first, what you want to do is go to the three bars on the top right, and then now you want to click on settings and privacy. From here, you want to scroll down all the way to the very bottom, and then at the bottom, it says for professionals, account type and tools. So you want to click on that. From here, you want to click on switch to professional account at the very top. And then now you want to click on continue, 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 continue. And then now you're going to choose whatever category you want your account to be. So I'm going to make mine like health and beauty. It doesn't really matter. But if you want it to display on your profile, then you just click on that toggle. Done. And then from here, you're going to choose if you want the account to be business or creator. So in this case, let's just do creator. Next. So right now it's just showing you like what's going to happen. So then just click on OK. And then from here, you can either choose to share your logins using your account center, but I'm just going to say not now. Done. And then there you go. As you can see, it says health and beauty right over here, which means that you have set up your professional account. So